Dear all, brothers and sisters, warm greetings from Sri Balaji Vidyapith, popularly referred to as SBV. I am delighted to meet you all once again through Channel 1. I thank you for your continuous support for the Channel 1 video series. Today's topic is something which is considered the bread and butter of academic life. Periodicals, the revered language of academia. Periodicals are considered as publications that are published at regular intervals. The period of publication may vary from daily basis to weekly, monthly, quarterly, biannually or annually, depending upon the importance and magnitude of the information contained in the periodicals as well as the needs and taste of the discerning readers. Magazines, scholarly journals, newsletters and newspapers are all periodicals. Magazines and newspapers are sometimes referred to as popular materials because they are written for a general audience and also aimed at relatively light reading. Periodicals are the important sources of information and regarded vital to the academic world because they contain more recent information than books. Furthermore, the periodicals can be published more rapidly and often the latest information on any given subject could be provided. Periodicals denote a primary media of great interest and relevance deemed appropriate for recording and communicating information. Health science disciplines rely greatly on periodicals for disseminating the latest developments in the rapidly changing fields enabled through evidence-based medicine. Benefits to undergraduates or postgraduates are many. Undergraduates and postgraduate students could utilize journal articles to obtain focused, up-to-date information on their topic of interest. Being aware of the different authenticated databases of scholarly journals will help them to select the most appropriate one for their research needs. Care should be taken to assimilate only the authentic information, and for this purpose we need to essentially focus on visiting quality and authentic journals. Benefits for faculties are equally many. Scholarly articles published in reputed journals will help the faculty to update their knowledge on a regular basis and obtain in-depth information on the chosen topic. It will also help in effective evidence-based practice. Benefits to the general public includes periodicals can often provide a good summary of information on a particular field or topic which can reach the general public easily. Benefits of periodicals in accreditation. These includes periodicals published by the universities or institute play an essential role in enhancing the perception and visibility by projecting various achievements of their faculty, staff and students. Thus, reaching a wider audience becomes possible. With the advent of the information and communication technology, knowledge could be disseminated electronically. Furthermore, this is also economically viable. The indexing of a periodical in established databases reflects its quality. The indexed journals have extensive online presence, improved article discoverability, and reputable for high quality publication in their own field. Studies undertaken in recent years have revealed that academic indexes such as PubMed, Scopus, Web of Science, and the Directory of Open Access Journals are the top research starting points for most scholars.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Padmavati S., Member Secretary of SBV Publication Committee, going to share the salient features of SBV periodicals. The different types of periodicals that are published by Sri Balaji Vidyapith include 4 scholarly journals, namely Annals of SBV, SBV Journal of Basic, Clinical and Applied Health Science, Journal of Scientific Dentistry and Pondicherry Journal of Nursing, and also publishes 2 official newsletters, namely the Chronicle and the HR Chronicle. Also, it publishes a coffee table magazine, The Exclusive, and a bilingual official magazine, Health Sparkles. Annals of SBV is an international peer-reviewed biannual and open access review journal which aims to publish high quality review articles related to various disciplines of medicine, dentistry, nursing, pharmacy and allied health sciences due to the growing demand of review articles. This mainly focuses on publishing different categories of review articles such as narrative review, systematic review, scoping review, meta-analysis, state-of-the-art review, thematic review and mini review. The SBV Journal of Basic, Clinical and Applied Health Science is an international peer-reviewed open access journal which accepts all types of ethically enabled research contributions, also serves as a platform for disseminating innovative research in the field of basic, clinical and applied health sciences and published quarterly. The Journal of Scientific Dentistry is an open access peer reviewed journal, and this journal places an emphasis on publishing high quality, novel and useful research papers and thus propagating evidence based dentistry. The Pondicherry Journal of Nursing is an international peer reviewed open access journal for the nursing fraternity published on a quarterly basis. It aims to disseminate evidence based information in core areas of nursing sciences that includes nursing research, education and practice. The Chronicle is the quarterly newsletter of Sri Balaji Vidyapith that publishes all the essential aspects of administration, patient care, outreach activities, academic, scientific, research, curricular, co-curricular and extracurricular activities of the administrators, faculty, non-teaching staff and the students of Sri Balaji Vidyapith. It is regularly circulated to all the colleges and universities across India. The HR Chronicle is an official newsletter highlighting the various activities of the Human Resource Department of SBV. The Health Sparkles is the monthly magazine of MGMCRI Hospital. The contents concern the hospital events, patient feedback, success stories of clinicians, general tips to maintain good physical and emotional health. It is circulated as print and electronically within SBV as well as to over 200 healthcare enterprises in and around Pondicherry. The SBV exclusive is a bi-monthly magazine bringing to the fore the various academic, research and campus life activities of SBV. The magazine is an offbeat and colorful communication which strives to highlight the achievements and accolades of the SBV family. SBV journals, which were circulated as in-house journals or only in printed version initially, have now received a wider reach and global visibility through the online publishing platform and gradually getting indexed in reputed agencies or databases such as I2OR, JGate, DRJI and Microsoft Academic.
Information is of no value without dissemination. True open access publishing serves the purpose of shifting the publishing model from the conventional pay to read format to a pay to publish format in which the authors pay for their work to be published, retain copyright and offer access to anyone with an internet connection free of charge as soon as the article is published. A recent innovative idea in the open access publishing model is F1000 research. F1000 research is an open access, open peer review scientific publishing platform covering the life sciences. Articles are published first and peer reviewed after publication by invited referees. The peer reviews names and comments are visible on the site. As part of its open science model, the data behind each article are also published and are downloadable. This offers rapid publication of articles and other research outputs without editorial bias. Another innovative software related to publication is eLifelens, which provides a novel way of looking at content on the web. It is designed to make life easier for researchers, reviewers, authors and readers. It uses the online environment to present research in a way that makes it much easier to read and understand article text, figures and data. By making it possible for users to explore this content without losing their place in the article text, eLens helps solve the problem of only being able to see a small part of an article at any one moment. A key reason why many people print off the content to read it. The software has been adopted by other publishers and welcomed by users as it improves and speeds up image intensive reading. Science Fair is a cross-platform desktop application built around the powerful eLifelens manuscript viewer, which can help to read even in offline mode. According to the great Greek philosopher Heraclitus, change is the only constant. So, all fields should adopt changes for their survival. Periodicals are not an exception. It is becoming increasingly difficult for any scholarly journals to survive in its current format with the rise of e-publishing and the ability to engage with a much broader audience across the internet. To sustain in this ever-changing world, periodicals must improve their status by increasing their visibility and improving the quality of the published articles. SBB periodicals will strive to adapt to such changes according to the need of their diverse readers and sustain their success.
Greetings from Sri Balaji Vidyapeeth. Myself, Professor A.R. Srinivasan, the registrar of this very prestigious and what should I say, actually very progressive health science university. And I have got the honor, pride and privilege of presenting the SBV highlights for this special edition of the Channel 1. Well, we feel proud and delighted to share that SBV has been accorded the coveted status of an institution under 12B of UGC Act 1956. And by virtue of this status, SBV and its constituent teaching units become entitled for receiving financial assistance from UGC as well as from central assistance for all academic and research endeavors. And this financial assistance can pave the way for augmenting the research potential of the faculty as well as the students in the coming days. And this will also ensure, by the way, SBV's dream and mission as a leader in research and development in the field of health sciences. SBV feels elated to share the news that Mahatma Gandhi Medical College and Research Institute, popularly referred to as MGMCRI, which is a constituent teaching unit of SBV, which has received validation and recognition for the quality medical service that is being offered to the patients. And MGMCRI was awarded this NABH Nursing Excellence Certificate on 6 April 2021. NABH Nursing Excellence Certification bears ample testimony to the standard and quality of nursing care and adaptability to the changing trends in healthcare. MGMCRI is the first among the healthcare institutions in the Puducherry Union Territory to receive such an accolade and such a certification. The Rotaract Club was inaugurated on the 11th of August 2021 in the Department of Physiotherapy, Mahatma Gandhi Medical College and Research Institute, a constituent teaching unit of Sri Balaji Vidyapeeth. The club is sponsored by the Rotary Club of Pondicherry Heritage. The chief guest of the day, Professor Subhash Chandra Parija, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of SBV, he congratulated the new office bearers and wished the club great success in the years to come. As a part of the Government of India's initiative, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, which marks the 75th Independence Day celebrations, the newly instituted Rotaract Club of MGMCRI SBV planted 75 saplings, which also conforms to the ideals of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. The saplings were planted at Government Primary School, Madhikrishnapuram in Bahur commune of Pondicherry. The event was held on 12th August 2021 and it also incidentally commemorated the International Youth Day 2021. This occasion was led by Professor S.C. Parija, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of SBV, and the program was so nicely organized by Professor E. Shanmuganand, the head of the Academic Department of Physiotherapy at MGMCRI SBV. In commemoration of the 75th Independence Day, a shadow mime titled India's Freedom, Struggle and Emancipation, produced so nicely and effectively by the students of the Center for Music Therapy Educational Research SBV, was premiered on YouTube at 10:30 a.m. on 15th August 2021. SBV considers this as an opportune moment to pay notable tributes to all the great freedom fighters of this nation.
I wish you the best of health. Do remember to continue practicing physical distancing, wearing masks, and personal hygiene. Stay safe. God bless you. Jai Hind.